Take two. Preparation for anniversary. 1, 2, camera.
Hi ma, hi pa. Mahal na mahal ka talaga ng mga kapatid. Mahal nila kayong dalawa. Pinaghahandaan nila ngayon yung anniversary niyo mamaya. I'm sure na-surprise nila kayo. Hindi ako makakasama ngayon kasi may pasok ako. Pero at least makakasama ako sa Little Manila ngayon, kakain tayo. I love you ma, I love you pa. Happy anniversary po sa inyong dalawa.
Come on in.
Kala ko ba sila may anniversary pa sa
Running out of ways to make you see. I want you to stay here inside. I won't be okay. Stand by. So just tell me today. Take my hand. Please take my hand. Please take my hand. Please take my hand. Please take my hand. Just say yes. Just say there's nothing holding you back. It's not a test.
Hi ma, hi pa. Bago muna yung lahat, naaalala niyo pa ba yung message na ito?
A successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. Happy anniversary, Tita Ronnie, Tita Cherry, and Kuya Neil.
Hi Ronnie, hi Cherry. Happy anniversary sa inyo. Nakalimutan na namin kung ilang taon na, pero alam namin medyo matagal-tagal na. Maraming salamat at naging part kami ng inyong buhay dyan sa Qatar. Nakilala namin si Ronnie siguro more than 10 years ago. At si Cherry and Neil after that. Kaya natutuwa kami na meron na namang party dyan. Maraming kainan. Kaya sabi nga, di ba, yung anniversary is a time to celebrate the joys of today, the memories of yesterdays, and the hopes of tomorrow. Kaya syempre pa, lagi kayong maging masaya, laging patuloy na magsama.
What's with that?
Yeah. Kaya kanina nakita nyo si Iggy na sinabi niya yung successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same. Meron akong iiwan na isang teksto sa inyo, napakaganda para sa mag-asawa. Yung nasa Psalms 34:8. Dahilan sa matagal na kayong kasal at nagsasama and of course successful. Sabi doon sa Psalms 34:8, taste and see that Jehovah is good. Kaya patuloy lang natin na laging tignan ang Diyos na Jehovah, ang kanyang mabuting paglalaan sa atin, at wag nating kalilimutan ang kanyang maibiging paglalaan, maibiging mga patnubay sa atin. Miss na miss namin.
Ang ganda ng message, no? Yun po ang dahilan kung bakit ngayon, bukas, susunod na linggo at magpakailanman, lalago pa rin ang pag-ibig yung dalawa ni Papa. Happy 23rd anniversary po. I love you.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways, and maybe it's all part of a plan. Well, I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. So baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh darling, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. Well, maybe we found love right where we are, and we found love right where we are.
Light. Bye tayo.
Running out of ways to make you
Labo kayo.
see. I want you to stay here beside me.
Yan po yung regalo namin sa
I
inyo.
won't be okay and I won't
Happy anniversary po.
deny.
Pasensya na po, Mapa. Hindi ako makakasama sa anniversary. May pasok po ako ngayon eh. Kaya sana ma-enjoy nyo man lang yung mga pagkain na hinanda nila. Kaya alis na po ako. Thank you po, Ma. Love you.
For God's sake, dear. For God's sake, dear. For God's sake, dear.